Are you looking for the best Android car stereos in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Android car stereos that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. JVC DoubleDIN Android Car Stereo. The JVC DoubleDIN Stereo is an impressive model among all the Android car stereos available in the market right now. It boasts of supporting both traditional and modern sound systems. That is, you can insert DVDs as well as connect it to your phone. It is great for those of you who are attached to DVDs and can't seem to let them go, while still enjoying the other specifications of the stereo. This music masterpiece comes with a 6.2-inch screen that fits into your dashboard snugly. Number 4. Pioneer Android 7-inch Car Stereo. If you're looking for all basic necessities as well as good Android specs in a car stereo, this is the model for you. Unlike the previous stereo, this has a pre-installed Bluetooth system and can support both Android OS and Apple OS without any complaints. The best part of this stereo is that it can connect to 2 phones at the same time. This irresistible quality is what brings it to the top 10 best Android car stereos in 2022. It is undoubtedly an ideal choice for you. Number 3. Yalaka Android DoubleDIN Car Stereo. Want a sleek, shiny, and cool stereo that will impress anyone that sees it? Go no further. The Yalaka Android Car Stereo is one of the most classy models in the list. Its large screen size and minimal buttons make it look very expensive and high class when it is really a very affordable model. It supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and has an excellent navigating system that will safely bring you through the best route possible. Number 2. Kenwood InDash Stereo. This stereo is a chic yet strong one which has taken everyone by surprise. The steady structure makes it resistant to damage caused by any shocks or road bumps. Its 6.2-inch LCD display is vibrant and colorful, which makes driving an absolute joy. Its excellent connectivity ensures that you have a great, hands-free experience. This stereo comes with a USB cord for attaching Apple devices. The best part, however, is the pair of alphasonic earbuds that are free with it. That's why we added it in top 10 best Android car stereos in 2022. Number 1. Atodo DoubleDIN Lux Car Stereo. This super stereo is seriously packed with the latest technology. It has an HD screen measuring 7 inches, a built-in amplifier, and a strong power output of 24 watts. Not only that, but it is also compatible with Android Marshmallow, which is the most appealing feature of this model. You also get internet tethering and a memory card slot with this. All in all, it is the perfect choice for you.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.